The 2025 Pleasureway Plateau XLRB is a premium Class B+ diesel motorhome built on the dependable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 platform. This luxury coach delivers a spacious 22:9 layout, accommodating 2 adults in a rear-raised queen bed, and features a robust suite of off-grid capabilities, all starting with an MSRP of around $230,750 USD. It features an off-grid and power systems with a 600 Ah lithium coach battery bank, 3,000 watts true sine wave inverter charger, 500 watt solar array, plus MPPT controller, and a 2.5 kilowatts Onan LP generator with auto start. These systems provide abundant energy for extended dry camping or boondocking adventures. Comfort and luxury features include a raised queen bed with generous storage underneath, private wet bath with separate shower and Korean finishes, fully equipped galley, induction cooktop, microwave, and Norcold 12V fridge, freezer. Climate and utilities features includes a Truma Aventa Eco AC and Truma AquaGo water heater. Dual 10-inch touchscreen control panels for electrical and vehicle systems. A lounge area with swivel captain's chairs, lounge dinette with a table, and 43-tower smart TV in rear. Some additional luxury touches are Baltic birch cabinets, vinyl soft touch headliner, blackout roller shades, LED accent lighting, 3M Thinsulate insulation, and Bose soundbar. Specs at a glance. It is 22 feet and 9 inches long, 8 feet wide, and 10 feet and 7 inches high. It has a 2.0-liter diesel engine with 211 horsepower and 332 pounds of torque. The chassis is a Sprinter 3500 9-speed automatic. It has a 28-gallon freshwater tank, 20-gallon gray water tank, and a 17-gallon black water tank. Who is it best suited for? It is ideal for couples or solo adventurers who prioritize luxury, reliability, and off-grid freedom. It's a fantastic option for those ready to invest in a well-built diesel coach with strong energy systems, but not ideal for larger groups or those needing multiple sleeping areas. Final thoughts. The 2025 Pleasureway Plateau XLRB stands out as a top-tier Class B+ motorhome, combining spacious, premium interior with standout features, robust off-grid electrical and solar capabilities, smooth and enjoyable Mercedes Sprinter driving dynamics. If you're seeking a high-end, compact motorhome ready for upscale travel and off-grid adventures, this model is a compelling choice. For more RV tips, travel inspiration, and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure.